Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking with Mimi. Today we're making meat stock, and specifically I'm making beef stock. So we start off with 300 grams of beef cut into large cubes. Remember, if it can go through the hole in your mixing bowl lid, you're good to go. And we're gonna chop this for 10 seconds on speed 7. We need to transfer it to a bowl and set aside. At this point, you don't need to wash your bowl, you just continue. And we add mixed vegetables. You can use celery stalks, carrots, onions, garlic, tomatoes, whatever you have. Dump it all in. Of course, they're about the size of chunks that can go through the mixing bowl lid. We have our fresh herbs. I'm using coriander and a bit of rosemary. And then we cover it, insert measuring cup into mixing bowl lid, and chop it for 10 seconds on speed 5. And then we scrape it down using our spatula. And then we add some sea salt. The recipe says sea salt, but I'm using pink rock salt as usual. 150 grams. You can omit the salt, but if you do so, then you have to freeze your meat stock paste and take it out every time you need it. For me, I add the salt and I consider it as a preservative, and also when I use my meat stock, I don't add salt anymore. And then we add 1 bay leaf and 1 clove. And then we add back the reserved minced meat. This will cook for 20 minutes on Varoma, speed 2. So it's mixing for us now, you can see it. And so I'm just going to leave it, and I'm going to put the simmering basket here on top. This is how it works. You literally just put it on top and you wait for it to be done cooking. Super easy. Okay, so our meat stock is done. Let's take a look. First we remove the basket. And this is how it looks like. It will thicken and become fairly dry. Put the lid back on, and we attach the measuring cup. And we need to blend this for 1 minute on speed 4. And gradually increasing to speed 7. So after you've scraped out your meat stock, your bowl will look something like this. So you scoop it out into a baking tray or baking tin and spread it out thinly, and then bake this in an oven. If you have the fan, put the fan on about 100 degrees for about 1 hour or until it dries up. And then in between, you use your spatula to mix it around so that it will dry up even faster. So halfway through baking, your stock will look a little bit like this. The lighter ones are the dry ones, and most of it is still a bit damp, so there's darker. And your objective is to get them light colored, just like this one here. So light means they've already dried up and ready to be blended. Okay, so this means it needs to be baked just a little bit more. So when your meat stock is completely dry, it's going to look something like this, almost like dried clay particles. You just put everything into your mixing bowl, and we will blend this for 30 seconds on speed 8. And that's it. Super easy. Ah, beautiful. Meat stock, homemade, with all the ingredients, all natural, and you know exactly what goes in it. Make some today.